In this video, we'll show you how to replace LTI links in Canvas. To begin, navigate to Alter. If you created the parent course outline and are adding coursework to the course overall, you should grab the new LTI link from your course. Click into your coursework section, click Manage, then click the three dots next to the assignment you need to change. Click Copy LTI link. Navigate to your course's assignment page by clicking Assignments. Scroll down the list of assignments to find the link that you want to replace. Click the three dots next to the title and choose Edit. Choose More Options. Scroll down to the submission type frame and then replace the URL in the external tool URL bar. Click Save. If you did not create the parent course outline and you're adding coursework to a specific section, you should grab the LTI link from this section. This will be the second item down on your overall course page. Follow the same instructions as before.